Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka State Election Committee jong ka Trinamool Congress kala terwa ban penyeng da ka Sadhya Rani Sangma ka ban long kum kertong jong ka seng ha ka election Shiteng Samoi ka ban long ha Gambegre constituency. Habaya kren ban kinong thok hubor ha ka singing kong jong ka tayo nakalyang nongelam jong ka Trinamool Congress ubalong ru menteri rang ba barim ke jela u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaong baya ka rai andang hap ban up Satang ka jing menjur na ka chairperson jong ka All India Trinamool Congress ka Mamata Banerjee. Ka Sadhyarani ka bade ka Kurim jong upara u Dr. Mukul Sangma u Zenith Sangma kalaya Khun election MLA ka barang Shudep House nem arajar arpulai na Gambegre bat ka klemyo ya ka jingjam. Kumbakalong menta ka Sadhyarani kalong kanong mi ikmat na benta ka Dengnak para Garo Hills District Council constituency.
Trinamool Congress Committee, Bajaj Charpungrop and other members of the election committee have sat and have discussed the application of the candidature of the aspiring candidate Srimati Sadhya Rani Sangma, and the committee was unanimous in its decision to recommend the name for the final approval of the candidature as the candidate for the Trinamool, as the candidate of the Trinamool Congress for the forthcoming by-election in respect of Gambegre Legislative Assembly by-election. So we'll wait for the approval of the chairperson and candidate will be announced. And the party is on the ground zero, working hard.
How confident is the TMC to win the Gambegre elections, because we've seen the NPP has decided to field the chief minister's rights?
You see, I've been following the whole developments in the constituency. One thing has drawn my attention. The whole state machineries have been directed towards that constituency, including the chief minister himself. And interestingly, we saw lots of, now it is subject to verification, because recently quite a substantial number of families, the households were being given CGI sheets. Now whether these CGI sheets are being distributed for the beneficiaries under any government scheme, or they are being purchased and being distributed directly by the party, that will have to find. So that means, you know what all things are happening in the constituency? It is nothing but the desperation of the party in power, specifically NPP, to see that they win the seat. But I am telling you, people will give them a befitting reply. We will take the bull by horn and see, nobody will be allowed to go scot-free. Nobody. You know? It doesn't mean that just because we are not giving frequent press briefing pertaining to all these illegalities that is happening, it doesn't mean that we are not working. We are working. I am keeping every illegality that there are with impunity. I will say that it has become, more synonymous with them, with the party in concern, that anything, everywhere, whatever schemes are being implemented, there is a complete manipulation, complete nepotism, and whatever is implemented with favoritism and nepotism, you know how the Supreme Court have defined. Supreme Court has been very clear in defining it as an act of corruption. Therefore, I have been sharing my concern within the House that the officers concerned who are responsible for the implementation of the schemes must be very, very careful, because the law has its long hand. You look at the allegation of alleged non-implementation of schemes under the district council, Garu's Autonomous District Council. I think one of the RTI activists have already acted as a whistleblower. Now, therefore, there is a concerted effort by the government of the day to somehow cripple the whole process of law. You have to ask the Chief Minister about the present dispensation of the Lok Ayukta. Has the Lok Ayukta been made fully functional as per the mandate of the law? All these things are crucial. If not, then what is the reason? So, this whole alleged implementation of the schemes, where there is a complete manipulation in the whole process of implementation, thereby depriving people. The deprivation, you see, the deprivation is of such a level that there is an anger and frustration.